In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an introduction to SurveyMonkey step by step, so your survey starts with a clear message, better context, and a more professional look. This is really helpful if you want to explain the purpose of your survey, welcome respondents, or give a few quick instructions before they begin. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey home screen, click on Survey to open the survey you want to edit. This will take you into the survey builder where you can make changes to the structure and content of your survey. Next, look for the page title area. Click on it so you can edit the title and the introductory text for that page. The page title is useful for setting the tone and helping respondents understand what section they're entering. After that, click on the page description section. This is where you can type your introduction. You can use this space to briefly explain what the survey is about, how long it will take, why their feedback matters, or any important instructions they should know before continuing. Keep your introduction clear, friendly, and easy to read. A good introduction can improve response rates because it makes people feel more comfortable and informed right from the start. Once you've typed your introduction, take a moment to review it for spelling, tone, and clarity. Make sure it sounds welcoming and gives the respondent enough context without being too long. When everything looks good, click Save to store your changes. Saving is important because it confirms your introduction has been added to the survey and will appear for respondents when they open it. And that's it. You've now added an introduction to your SurveyMonkey survey. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your survey feels. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.